Hey everyone, welcome. If you've been wondering how to add a voiceover to your videos using Canva, even if you're brand new to this, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create dynamic, engaging videos in Canva using AI-generated voiceovers. This can give your presentations a real lift, whether you're making content for work, school, or just for fun. So let's get right into it and see how simple this can be. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account. If you're not logged in yet, just go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the Create Presentation button. This option is perfect for making videos with slides, narration, and all those nice touches that make your content stand out. Click on Create Presentation, and you'll see Canva's huge selection of templates. Now here, where you can get creative. Browse through the templates and pick one that fits your topic or vibe. Maybe you want something professional or maybe something playful, it's totally up to you. Once you've found one you like, make sure to apply that template to all the pages in your presentation. That way, everything will match up smoothly and your video will look cohesive from start to finish. Alright, with your template loaded, let's dive a bit deeper. Choose the slide or page you want to add a voiceover to, just click directly on that page. Next, go over to the left side of the screen and find the Upload button. When you click this, you'll see another option that says Record Yourself. This is typically where people can use their own microphone to add narration, but today we're going to try out Canva's AI voice. You'll see an option that says Try Generate AI Voice. Go ahead and select that. Canva's AI voice is a fantastic tool, especially if you're a bit shy about recording your own voice or if you want to give your presentation a certain tone or style. With AI voice, you can literally type out the script for what you want said on that slide, and Canva will turn it into speech. So just type in the exact text or message you want your viewers to hear for this page. It can be as short or detailed as you like. Think about the key points you want to communicate. For example, if your slide is about the benefits of morning routines, you could write something like, Start each day with a healthy routine to boost productivity and mood. After you've entered your message, you'll notice there's an option to select either a male or female AI voice. Pick whichever you feel best matches your content's personality or your audience's preference. No wrong choices here, just pick what sounds best to you. When you're ready, click Generate AI Voice. Give it a second, it'll take just a moment for Canva to process your script and turn it into an audio file. Once that's done, you'll see the new voiceover attached to your slide. Before you move on, it's always a good idea to review your work. Click the full screen mode button to preview how your slide sounds with the voiceover. Listen carefully to make sure it flows naturally with your visuals and really communicates what you want. If you ever want to tweak the script or try a different voice, you can easily go back and make adjustments, so don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. And that's it, you've just added an AI voiceover to your video in Canva. See, not hard at all, and it adds so much polish to your presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you out, and subscribe for more easy, powerful Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.